Hi, welcome to AdSafe Lab. My name is Maxine, I'm the founder. In our previous video, we have briefly seen what is Google Ads and how it works. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, if you think you're missing some concepts. During the course, we're going to go in way more details on how to create a successful Google Ads account and what strategies you can use to become an expert at Google Ads. In today's video, we're going to look at how to create a Google Ads account. It's very simple. All you need is a credit card and a Gmail account. Let's jump into it. First thing first, we're going to go on Google and search for Google Ads. Once we see these results, we're going to take the very first one. As you can see, it's a sponsored result. On that page, we can click Start Now. Now, this is where you log in your Gmail account. All right. Now that we are on the Google Ads account creation dashboard, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to properly create your first Google Ads account. As you can see top left, Google Ads is asking us to create our first campaign. This is the way Google Ads is trying to get you to spend your money initially by making you create kind of like an easy to set up campaign, but we're going to skip that step and we're going to just create the account for us to have access to the Google Ads dashboard. Very important, you need to add your website URL. Now, Google is offering you the option to link some accounts to your Google Ads account, such as your YouTube channel or your Google business profile. You can do it now or you can skip it because you can always do it later. Now, like I said earlier, Google is trying to walk you into creating your first campaign. My recommendation is to skip this creation altogether until you have access to your dashboard where you can create the campaigns properly. So I'm just going to skip it. I'm going to skip that step as well. Yes, I'm going to leave the campaign creation. This is the beginning of your billing information. It's going to ask you for your country, your time zone, your currency. Now, Google is asking us for billing information. If you create your account for yourself, for your own agency, you can always add your own payment method. You can always add your credit card. If you are creating the account alongside your client, never add your credit card. Always add your client's credit card so they can pay for their own ads. In our case, I'm going to create the account for myself, so I'm going to add my own payment method. Whenever you create a new Google Ads account with a new Gmail, you can get a promotion or a credit on your media buy spend. You can, for example, get 500 or 1,000 when you meet certain conditions. Usually, you need to spend a certain amount of money on Google Ads for you to get that credit allocated to your account. So first, you're going to create your payment profile. The payment profile is who is responsible for the payment on the account. You can add a business or you can add an individual. Once you have added the payment profile, you're going to add the payment method. Now that I've added my information, added my payment profile and my payment method, I can go to the next step. And it's that simple. Just like that, you have created your Google Ads account. You can now click continue. Just like that, you have created your Google Ads account and you have access to your dashboard. It might be overwhelming at first with a lot of information on the screen, but don't worry. Throughout the course, we're going to walk you through each step on how to create a successful Google Ads account, how to structure your campaigns, how to pick your keywords, and what strategies you can use to run ads successfully for your business or for your clients. Let's jump into it in the next video.